Good morning everyone. So today we see the MongoDB installation. So what is MongoDB? MongoDB is open source and NoSQL database. We can store the data in JSON like JSON format. So let's see how to install the MongoDB on AWS EC2 machine, Ubuntu flavor. So first we have on the official page of MongoDB. So here is a installation community editor and select here we install on the Ubuntu. Okay. So next we go to the our server. Okay, we log in the EC2 AWS service and we create the one instance. Okay, we create the one instance that have the minimum machine configurations and machine low GB. So we launch instance, we give the name, I'll give the name demo, and we launch one instance. That means the number of instance is one. So I choose the Ubuntu machine. After choose the Ubuntu machine, I'll go to the it's by default we uh, this is the by defaults, so we did not change. So here I choose the one uh, key. That key is required for the account, and we will be make a video. So how what is the key and how could you uh, make the key in AWS? So after this, we just going to the network setting parts. We want to add the security. So we are doing this video for only practice. So we select the add security group. So we just take it the by default. So security type we allow the all traffic allow we all traffic, and next is the custom. So we allow the all ports, that means anywhere, and after the security configuration we keep it the by default as same, and we launch the instance. So we can see it successfully initial the launch of instance. We click here and we can see it's taking time, so we're waiting for some minutes. So we can say the demo instance is create. So we just keep it the public IP, take a public IP, and this is the public IP. So copy it, and I use the Excel for the CLI interface. So I paste it over the my AWS public IP, connect. Okay, I paste it over. yes, and I give the name ubuntu. Okay, and choose here the my key and select. So you can see the separate. We can here log in, and first I update the machine. So sudo apt update -y. Yes, so my machine is updating. Okay, it's taking time to update the packages. Okay, so after the update packages, we install the mongodb. For that, we go to the official site of mongodb. So already we discussed the mongodb we install on the ubuntu machine. So for that, we run this command. What is this command? It is cat etc lsb release. So here we can see that what is the latest release of mongodb. So we copy the command and paste over the our CLI. Yes, so we can see distribution release 24.04 is our Ubuntu our machine release. That means the compatible of install the MongoDB. After that, we import the public key. The next step is import the public key. So what is public key? We can read here from the internal install g gun ngp and the curl if they are not already available. If we have not already installed curl, so we just run this command. Okay, yes, okay, yes. After the install curl, we import the mongodb gpg key, public gpg key. It's run following command. So we just copy this command and paste over here. Okay, paste. Yes, and next. So next is we create the list file. We create the list file. So for that, create a list file. So we copy this command echo dep. Okay, we create a list file, and after we close this window because that is disturbed. Okay, and after the list file, we reload the package of database. after the list file we sudo apt update. Okay, sudo apt update. We type sudo apt update. Okay, so we directly copy the command apt get update sudo apt get update. Okay, list package done. That means our update. After that we install the mongodb org. For that we copy command and paste over it. Okay, so our package is installed. Okay, get. Yes. Okay, so after the install the packages, install the mongodb packages. Okay, and after that with this ps means process, so we run also this command. Okay, yes, so we can check mongodb is currently running or not, we successful install the packages or not. So for this we fire this command sudo systemctl. First we enable the mongod, enable mongod. Okay, so and after we check, so sudo systemctl start mongodb. From this command we start the mongodb and we check also the status to check, to show checking for a status sudo systemctl status mongodb. Yes, so we can see here the active running, mongodb is active running, and we enable the process. So q, press q. After with this we can go into shell. So for the going into the shell we fire the command mongo sh. Yes, after we press the mongo sh we enter in the shell, and we can see here the what is default database. So show dbs, we can see the what is the default database, admin config and local. Okay, thank you very much. So we successfully installed the mongodb on ubuntu machine. Thank you very much. We meet on next video. So goodbye and